That's not very pleasant.
Hello, I'm Jay.
And I'm Ginger.
And we are the Foodie Freaks. And you're watching the
TikTok
Takedown. Anyway,
Anywho's.
so let's get started, shall we?
Yes, let's get started.
So what's on the menu for tonight?
Well, it's bubbly, it's fizzy, it's also savory.
You mean we're going to be making Beef Fizz?
Beef Fizz, people.
Oh, gosh.
What the heck?
Beef Fizz is a viral TikTok thing. People have been talking about it. It's an old-fashioned recipe that was around in the 1800s.
Mm-hmm.
It's a combination of concentrated beef stock, ginger ale, and lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
And we're going to try it.
Yeah. I can see where the ginger ale and the lemon makes sense, like that pairing, but the introduction of beef,
All right,
at least.
you ready?
Yeah. Sure.
All right.
As ready as I'm going to be.
Let's do this. You got the bucket on standby?
Yep. What I'm calling the vomitron.
We'll put that down there for now.
Yeah.
Condensed soup beef broth. Lemon juice.
Lemon
Fresh
juice.
squeezed, of course.
Pre-squeezed.
And 1 cup of ginger ale.
Yeah. Why? Don't know. I'm just gonna keep staring at the camera. We're gonna make this fancy, people. We're gonna drink Beef Fizz out of champagne glasses.
1 tablespoon of lemon juice.
See, good combination. Nice fuzzy, bubbly. Got the ginger ale with the lemon. Makes sense. I mean, they've obviously made that pre-canned, like those flavors together in one can before. Not gonna say the brand, obviously, but it's not bad. I've had it before. Pretty good. Makes sense. Now, do we dilute out the beef broth? No? Okay then. Tone.
Here's looking at you.
Here's looking at you, people. And now it looks like Dr. Pepper.
Oh, okay, Dr. Pepper.
Looks like Dr. Pepper, people. It's going to be confusing as all get out. And now...
And play fancy music.
Well, thank you.
This one's for you.
This is for you, people. Cheers.
Oh, I love our fancy dinner party.
Well, let's waft it first.
The ever important
Okay.
wafting.
Yeah, wafting. Doesn't smell terrible.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Like what?
Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna try again.
Yeah, one more time. Cheers.
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 Okay. Oh.
It's definitely different. Yeah.
Oh.
So it definitely has a very unique profile.
Oh.
It's very heavy on the beef. The carbonation definitely adds something to it.
Just trigger warning.
Trigger warning.
Do not do this.
Why this is viral? Why is this coming back?
Oh my god, it's
That's
so
an
bad.
excellent question, right?
Oh, it's vile. It.
Mm-hmm. So
if you want to know what it tastes like, open a can of dog food and just sniff it.
Yes.
What do we rate Beef Fizz? I give this a
0.5.
I give this a 1. This is a 1. This is an absolute. Oh, oof. There aren't words
No words for this,
for the
people.
foulness that emanates from within this glass. Beef Fizz is one of the worst things I've ever put in my mouth. Okay, well, we do not recommend Beef Fizz to anybody for any reason. This is a terrible thing. Why did TikTok do this?
We want to know.
May never know.
Tell us your thoughts in the comments.
Now it's time for our favorite segment.
Mm-hmm.
Something that actually tastes good. I'm gonna start with
And we're gonna just set this over here.
I brought some homemade lemonade. So you got that right?
Yes.
Check this out. See
All
this?
right.
Bottle of champagne.
All right. So yes. So let's give this a try.
Cheers.
Cheers. half bad.
Now that is something that tastes good.
That is something that tastes really good.
To your health.
To your health.
Well, that's it for now. Be sure to subscribe and let us know what you want to see us take down next.
Until next time, stay curious in the kitchen. Cheers, guys.